Hi, and welcome to Catering Toolbox, where you'll find the tools and information you'll need to succeed in the challenging field of catering. I'm Doug Biggs, and this is part 2 in our series on barbecue picnic catering. It's Saturday morning, and we've completed all of our prep over the past 2 days. Now it's time to get cooking. We set our start time 2 hours prior to departure, and the first order of business is to get going on the chicken and baked beans. The beans are easy. Just about an hour in the oven with some stirring along the way will do the trick. We then load the hot pans of beans into our Cambro hot boxes for transport. We've used a piece of shipping tape affixed to the outside of the Cambro to list the name of the party, the number of people, and the contents of the Cambro. Okay, now for the big secret. The way to easily and successfully cook chicken for a large group is to pre-cook it in a convection oven before it ever reaches the event. We'll finish it on the grill at the party, but that's really just for show. We unwrap our pans and load them into a 350-degree oven. 4 pans of chicken per oven, 36 pieces on a pan for a total of 144 pieces per oven. The timer is set for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the chicken is ready for its first saucing. We pull out the pans and lather the chicken with our sauce. We reload the pans in the oven and set the timer for 7 minutes. Out comes the chicken once again for more sauce. At this time, we also drain the excess grease from the pans. Back in for 7 minutes. Okay, one last saucing and it's into the pans and Cambros for transport. Now we have some beautiful chicken. The sauce is baked on and even blackened on some edges as if it were on the grill. We could serve this chicken just as it is. If we're running late at an event for any reason, we could simply skip the step of placing it on the grill and make up for some lost time. While the beans and chicken are cooking, there's time to load our equipment and cold food. Since we cater multiple events in a day, each event is assigned an event manager. The event manager is responsible for loading the truck with all of the items needed for the party. This manager will drive the truck to the party and run the event from start to finish. We start with non-perishables, the barbecue, charcoal, buffet tables and linen, chafing dishes, bowls, spoons, and tongs. We include disposable plates and serviceware in our pricing. For this, we simply line a basket with cloth napkins and fill it with paper napkins, forks, and knives. We're careful to line up the forks and knives all in the same direction. We refer to the catering proposal for the party to ensure that we have each food item listed. For cold items, I use these large 150-quart ice chests. Into the ice chest goes the potato salad, the green salad, ranch and Italian dressings, and the salsa. Sealed bags of ice are added to keep everything nice and cold. The ice chests are loaded onto the truck along with the Cambros of hot food. We also load an extra empty Cambro and pans to hold the tri-tip and garlic bread that we will be cooking on site at the party. With 15 minutes to go, there's time to run through the proposal one last time to make sure all of the supplies that I'll need for the party have been loaded. Here's what I do and what I teach each of my event managers to do for their final check before departure. I refer to the proposal, I read each item on the menu, and I visualize in my head that item and everything I need to cook and serve that item at the party. For example, for the tri-tip, I visualize the meat itself, the grill and cooking equipment, the extra Cambro and pans, the cutting board and knife, the chafing dish it will be served in, and the tongs I will use to serve it. Check, I loaded all those items. Next, the salad. I have the bags of salad, the salad bowls and tongs, the dressings, the dressing crocks, and the dressing ladles. Wait, I forgot to grab the dressing ladles. I run back and grab them and move on to the next items until I visualize each item that I need and I'm confident I have everything loaded. All right, everything is ready and loaded. It's time to fire up the engine and head off to the party, right on time. I'll see you there. All right, everything is ready and loaded. It's time to fire up the engine and head off to the party, right on time. I'll see you there. I gotta remember to start the truck. All right, let's do that one more time.